Thank you. Good morning and welcome to our Saturday morning. We have no groceries. So we listened to the first session of General Conference for our church, and it's a 2-hour session. And guess who took a 2-hour nap right on my lap? This little cutie did, and it was so nice. Oh, and also that little cutie did, and so that was very enjoyable.
Mom, can we just take a moment? And look how cute our little
jumpers are. Here's Olivia's jumper with my cloud sandals.
And here's Boston's hoodie.
Yeah, let's see Boston's hoodie.
Boston's Alaskan hoodie.
This hoodie. Okay, now are you guys ready for this? I don't think you're ready for this.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'll put it in the description for you. Along with the link to conference if you are wondering what we've been watching. We've got a 2-hour break, so we are going to go to the grocery store
Get candy corn.
and get all sorts of delicious treats and snacks. And he does hate candy corn, so we'll find something good for him. Lady, place. Lady, place.
Wait,
Call lady in the house. Lady? Okay.
Yeah, we can just
Okay.
put her in the car.
Who's coming with me? Okay, get your shoes on. Let's go. Lady, stay. You guys stay.
Also, look at my socks. Lady. Those are my lady socks.
These are lady socks, yes.
And I got on my birthday.
So bad, Dad.
Is there anything that you are requesting from the grocery store? Oh, go get my grocery list. It's on the yellow pad in the cupboard. Lincoln loves his Kizik's.
And this one's already kind of ruined.
Because you're very hard on your shoes. Go ahead and slip them on. You see that? Oh.
Oh, and
No shoes. Yeah, no socks. I wish you had some socks on, but... Well, I don't need the whole pad. I just need the paper.
Well, the more the merrier.
All right. Joel, do you have anything that you're requesting to have from the store?
Look in here.
Some bread.
All right.
I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I got nothing to worry about when you're
We
by
just got done
my
watching the
side.
Sunday morning session of conference, and the kids built an incredible fort, and so I need you to give them a tour. But first, I do have to mention, it is built with blankets made from Grandma Hoellein, my Aunt Patsy, and then also,
Me and Cody.
and who made that one?
Huh?
Grandma Griffiths.
Yeah,
So, lots of cool blankets.
We use Boston's magic.
Yeah. Okay, and even though
Me and Cody did both. We did all of it.
you did, and even though I cannot link homemade blankets, I can link all the Minky ones because they have also made a very important appearance in our conference weekend. Okay, Cody, tour.
There are 2 doors. There's one right here that you can lift up, and then there's the inside, and then there's my door right here. That tiny space. I slip right through. I can go through too, but maybe I'll show you guys in a minute.
Here,
but
I'll hold you.
Huh?
You want to squeeze in?
Yeah, I can squeeze.
Okay.
Can I squeeze in too?
All right.
You gotta lift up this so you can get inside, but you just gotta go. I'm gonna try.
You want me to pass the?
Camera.
All right. There you go.
Okay, Mom, the light isn't on.
There we go. Okay, here, Code.
Alright. So usually it's really dark in here. I have this blanket, so it's really dark, and we like it darker. But this whole thing is awesome because you can slip this out and then get out to look. Or you can just move the blanket to get out. Hold on to this. Or you can just move the blanket as well. But me and Boston really like it dark. Yeah. I don't know why though. Just keep it like that. And then we have our own little spots. This is the jean blanket that my grandma made out of jeans. Hoellein or Grandma Griffiths. It was Grandma Hoellein. Cut all the jeans, like all the jean pants, and made a big blanket. And me and Cody have this little blanket, but when we're done, we just put it in the corner. And then we have our blanket. This is Cody's corner. If you saw the monkey one up there, that was Boston's. This is mine. This is like
The dog.
I had this forever.
Yeah.
And then, so this is mine. And then we have our whole room.
Yeah.
Here's
So,
the bed
let's hold
mattress.
the corner.
The red is from the
Bedding.
paint on our bed, like the frame of the
it's
bed.
metal.
Since it's been like laying there for like 6 years or something.
Yeah, almost.
And then we just wanted to use it since it was the only big thing.
Yeah.
And we have this blanket up because
It's better than
it's better than just our couch cushion.
and it feels nicer.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll tell about the corners. So look, this is Cody's corner and his blanket. Then my pillow's out there because we were watching General Conference for a little bit. And then my pillow's out there, so I just lay right here. Ow!
And then
And I just lay right here, and then hold
we
on to
both
this,
share-
Boston.
What
we
we
both
what
share
we
this
do
blanket.
is here. Hang on to this and get me. What we do is when we're coming out, we find the corners. So here's one. Then here's a second, and then we hang it up right here. So when we gotta hang it up. So we hang it up right here when we're out. And then when we wanna come back in, we just grab it, and then
It's literally
got a
like we
blanket.
share the blanket, and then so
That's
that's
it.
our.
it can fit all four of us kids. But
But me and-
Olivia doesn't really like to when it doesn't
Come
wanna
in,
come in.
and Lincoln
And
is just doing
Lincoln-
his thing.
Yeah.
So it's me and Cody's fort, but we share it, and yeah, that's the tour. So thank you. Bye bye.
This is how I broke my mom's favorite glass cows one time. Was like, gross.
You missed it.
Blended in the garbage.
Okay, well I.
Look what we got. Where? All right.
Lincoln, wash your hands when you're done. Olivia, take this towel down to the laundry room. Hold on. Okay, take that down to the laundry room. Lincoln, go wash your hands.
I can't wait to blend
Go
it.
wash your hands. Go downstairs and wash them in the bathroom. Soap and water.
I got money for tomorrow.
Okay.
We don't need to go to the store.
Thank you. Here, I'll wipe the cabinet off. Go ahead. You guys can go sit down and eat. Thank you for doing the dishes.
We're going to grandma's house. We're going to.
Cody, it's time for you to go get on the piano. Typically, this is not what our conference in between sessions look like. Olivia just got done practicing. Joel has to edit so that our video is ready for tomorrow, and we don't want to wait till tonight to do it. So it's not like ideal. This isn't usually what we like to do. We usually like to go for a drive, go for a walk, you know, all those things. You can come up, Olivia, and help me start making some soup. Oh, actually, hand Dad his phone. Thank you. Oh, I want to if we've got time, yeah. I am going to make a soup that I have had made before, and it's on my, what's it called? My Instagram, on my food highlights. So I'm gonna try and replicate this soup. I don't quite remember all the details, but the recipe's there, so we'll figure it out.
Hi, did you guys see the video where we saw a rabbit? Maybe we didn't get it on camera, but I don't know. Right now I've been seeing, I just heard the leaves go, and I've been seeing pears right here with like little bites in them, and I feel like that's the rabbit that we saw. And I keep on hearing the leaves go like moving back and forth, and I think it's been eating our pears, and I think it lives like around here somewhere. Well, if we see it, we'll try to record it, but that's it.
The soup is coming along. Olivia has helped me cut up all the veggies. You are doing so good at learning to like cook and bake and do all the things. So we're gonna make some pumpkin bread together. But I told Cody to go find Boston because it's time for him to practice the piano. And all that conference and rabbit chasing just got to be too much. He's just a tired little boy. Okay, that was the sweetest thing, watching him just like twitch in his sleep. He's such a sweetie.
And changed them for the better. At the risk of invading her privacy, I will add a brief report of the encouragement of my life.
Do you want up? Do you want up? Do you want up here? Do you want to get up here? Okay. Come here. You gotta come right here. Lady, come. Come on. No, don't walk away, because then I can't pick you up. I swear, you're just...
Here's the final soup. It smells so delicious. Oh, I forgot to take the bay leaf out of it. So if anyone gets like a bay leaf, you don't have to eat that. It's just for, yeah. And if you can see over there, we've got Boston still sleeping. And I figure these kids they don't take naps, and everyone has been falling asleep like crazy. I figure these kids need it. You're all growing, learning, doing so much. So if they're napping, we're gonna let them nap. So we're gonna eat, and then the next session starts in about 30 minutes. Boston, you slept through the night. Come have breakfast. Just teasing. You guys didn't have treats for conference growing up? Oh, it's okay.
I remember making like yummy meals, but not like treats.
Oh, the coloring.
Well, I liked conference when I was a kid because that meant no church. You didn't have to get up and go to church, and that was the highlight of it. But now I like it because you just take a full weekend and really just kind of indulge in family time, relax, like hear such wonderful talks. So I love it.
I'm really excited for the pumpkin bread to get done, and I'm excited to see if it turned out. The soup turned out better than I anticipated, actually. For real, that soup, it is a fall must. I'm undetermined on the bread. I tried a whole bunch of different things in it, so we're gonna see how that turns out. I don't know a better way. Well, I can think of a million better ways to end the vlog. I'm like so, I don't know what I think. Do we take this?
Do you know what I just realized?
What?
This isn't the second time that we've had to be like, you got to learn this now or else.
When I learned to drive a stick shift.
Exactly, and you smoked that, sweetie. So you're gonna be just fine.
All right, I am going to be hauling this, but I just woke up from a nap.
Yeah. So, yeah. Oh wow, she's got the hood on. I mean, like, we are serious. You probably want to keep all your eyes open.
I have to drive this bad boy for like 5.5 hours, and I'm just really scared. And to be honest, I'm mad that I have to do it. I'm sad I have to do it. So this is kind of a test run. We've got to move the trailer anyway. Door open. Your door?
My door? No, Lincoln's door. Lincoln, your door.
There we go. Okay, were you guys waiting a long time?
Oh, a few minutes. We watched the vlog. It was good.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I don't
woke
mind.
up from a nap.
Yeah,
okay, this isn't
It
bad.
was like 2 hour,
It's all set.
This
You're
isn't
good.
bad.
Mom, it was like a 4 hour.
Now,
vlog.
here's my question. When I drive,
Yeah.
honey, change an angle. Do something different.
What angle do you want me to change from in this car? Like,
Look through the
you
mirror.
want me to climb out on the hood and get that? Like,
Okay, well, that's what I'm looking at. Now, how do I make sure that that's not going to hit things? Like, do I just drive like normal, but
yes,
like
but
obviously
give yourself
take
space.
a little wider turns?
Take
or
wider
something?
turns. Just assume that you're wider, so you just need to make sure the Suburban's dead center in the lane, and you'll have plenty of room. But on turns, just go a little bit wider. And the key is honestly, I'll be in front of you, so you'll just follow what I'm doing. A friend of ours told us that their friend, instead of towing doubles, they would pay somebody to just go like drop it off. But I'm like,
you know, that was an option.
that's an option, but it's 5.5 hours away.
And I honestly thought about it.
Go wider, go wider, go wider, sweetie. Yeah. Just, especially double lanes, come out into that lane. Like, you're fine. So if you're making a right-hand turn, make sure oncoming traffic for both lanes is good and go out in it. Yep, you'll be good.
It does not feel like I'm carrying anything heavy, which is really nice. I just have to...
Yeah, all the trailer brakes are set.
I think what's going to save me is our walkie-talkies.
Yep.
And
I will be setting the pace.
Joel will be directly in front of me, and I'm really good at following.
Yep.
So, all right. Well, guys, thanks for watching today's video.
I had a really nice time. I'm having a really nice... This is nice. Maybe you should tow the fifth wheel more often.
I could never.
Honestly, I really want to be driving right now, but I need you to learn. So,
All right.
bye, Toots.
Bye, Toots. Love y'all. Did you just call all of them Toots?
Yeah, they're Toots.
No, they're not.
They're Toots.
I take that back. They're not Toots.
Yeah, we are. You're not too.
Why can't them Toots or the audience Toots? Who's Toots?
Me.
Sweetie, we
Honey,
know.
I'm Toots.
You're Toots. Okay. All right.
No,
Bye, guys.
Except
Say bye,
for me.
Toots.
I'm only two.